Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We want to start off by congratulating a few of the sellers that our team was fortunate enough to help that are going to be closing next week, and that is the seller of our property in Whittier on Haley, which is was a large property. Was on the market, fell off, buyer had some issues, but actually the seller I should say, ended up getting higher on the second offer than they did the first offer. So congratulations to them. The seller on the property on Mar Vista, congratulations to them. Both actually were really large lots, so we got definitely a lot of inquiries about that because there's very few homes with large lots. So congratulations to those sellers. We want to let you know also about our ADU workshop, which is an exciting thing that we'd love to share about how to create wealth through real estate. And I think the ADU is probably one of the best tools to do that really over the last few decades. So if you're interested in learning more about the ADU or really building imagine a mother-in-law quarters in the back or a granny's flat, or there's many different names for it. This workshop will definitely go through that. We have our home buyer workshop. We have two of them in the month of February. So if you're interested in purchasing and taking advantage of these low interest rates, obviously join us in our workshop. We love the opportunity to educate you about the buying process if we haven't already. And you know, if you're thinking about maybe selling, one of the things I actually just checked this morning, it's how many homes are available for sale. Now we start in the city of Whittier, and obviously we cover an area around that. So we'll use the city of Whittier for example. Typically in a equilibrium market, meaning enough buyers, enough sellers, we normally would see 3 to 6 months worth of inventory, right? So what does that mean? Well, in the city of Whittier, over the last 20 years, the consumption rate, meaning how many homes are sold every single month, year over year, is about 100 to 125 every single month. So if we use 100 as an easy number, we typically would want to see 300 to about 600 homes, meaning there's enough buyers for the sellers that are out there, right? And vice versa. Now, right now, as of this morning, there is only 54 properties in the whole city of Whittier that are available for sale. So what does that mean? Well, there's 2 weeks worth of inventory of homes that are on the market. So if no new homes come on the market, the homes are gone, right? There's nothing to buy. So if you're interested in selling, right now is an incredible time. There's typically a line outside of your home that are interested in buying your house. So if you're interested, please let us know. Our team would love to give you an evaluation, to give you a sense of what your home would sell for in today's market. So with that being said, we want to say thanks for your continued support. We look forward to seeing you hopefully very soon in maybe one of our next in-person events, maybe towards the end of the year, but we definitely look forward to it. All the best, and we'll see you guys soon.